Imagine this. You're 80 years old, your body is weak, your vision is fading, your memory isn't what it used to be. Then, you take a pill. A few weeks later, your strength returns, your mind sharpens, your body feels decades younger. Sounds impossible, right? But according to Harvard scientist David Sinclair, this future might be closer than we think. In 2026, at the World Government Summit 2026, world leaders gathered to talk about the future: artificial intelligence, climate change, the global economy. But one talk stood out. It wasn't about technology. It was about defeating aging itself. Standing on that stage, Sinclair made a claim that sounded almost unreal. Aging could soon be reversible. Not slowed down, not managed, reversed. And for the first time, he had science to back it up. To understand this, you have to forget everything you think you know about aging. Most people believe aging is simple. Your body wears out, cells get damaged, things fall apart. But Sinclair sees it differently. He says aging isn't damage, it's lost information. Inside every cell in your body is DNA, your genetic code. But what really matters is how that code is used. This is controlled by something called epigenetics. Think of it like software. When you're young, the system runs perfectly, but over time, the instructions get scrambled. Cells forget how to function. Your body doesn't break. It forgets how to repair itself. And if that's true, then maybe aging isn't permanent. Maybe it's reversible. Years before that speech, scientists discovered something incredible: a set of genes known as Yamanaka factors. These genes could take an old cell and reset it to a younger state. It was like turning back a biological clock. In lab experiments, scientists used this method to restore vision in blind mice, reverse signs of aging in tissues, and improve organ function. For the first time ever, aging wasn't just slowing down, it was going backward. But there was a problem. This method required gene therapy. And that's complicated, expensive, and potentially dangerous. So the question became, is there a simpler way? Recently, researchers from Harvard and MIT found something unexpected. They didn't use genes, they used chemicals. Instead of rewriting DNA, they used molecules to reprogram cells. In controlled experiments, they discovered combinations of chemicals that could restore youthful function, reset gene activity, rejuvenate old human cells. And they did it in just days. No genetic engineering, no invasive procedures, just a chemical cocktail. This changed everything. Because suddenly, age reversal didn't look like science fiction anymore. It looked scalable. This isn't just happening in petri dishes. In animal studies, vision has been restored, tissue damage reversed, biological age significantly reduced. Even more striking, similar techniques have shown success in primates, which means we're getting closer to humans, closer to real treatments, closer to a world where aging isn't inevitable. Now here's where things get almost unbelievable. According to Sinclair, the end goal isn't injections, it isn't gene therapy, it's something much simpler. A pill, a treatment you could take that would reset your cells, restore lost information, reverse biological age. He predicts this could become reality by around 2035. Think about that. Less than a decade away, a world where aging could be treated like a disease. If this works, everything changes. Hospitals wouldn't just treat illness, they'd treat aging itself. Diseases like Alzheimer's, heart disease, cancer could be delayed or even prevented. People wouldn't just live longer, they'd stay healthier, longer. But this also raises difficult questions. Who gets access? Will it be affordable? And how would society handle longer lifespans? Before we get carried away, there's something important to remember. This science is still developing. Many results are still in animals or early-stage studies, and some scientists remain skeptical, because extraordinary claims need extraordinary proof. But even so, something has clearly shifted. For the first time in human history, aging is no longer something we just accept. It's something we might one day control.